Once upon a time in the arcade, there lived a game hero named Ralph. Ralph was known as Wreck-It Ralph, a big, clumsy, and lovable guy. Every day, he tried his best to be a good friend. But sometimes, he'd get a little too enthusiastic and cause a mess. One night, as the arcade went quiet, Ralph felt a pang of loneliness. He wished he could find a place where he could fit in and be himself. With a twinkle in his eyes, he closed them tight and made a wish. "I wish I could find a place where everyone sees me for who I am," he whispered. As he opened his eyes, a sparkling light appeared before him. It led him to a door he'd never noticed before, marked Hero's Duty. He ventured inside and found a group of heroes, each unique and strong. They welcomed Ralph with open arms, and he felt a sense of belonging. The next day, when Ralph returned to his game, he was different. He was still a little clumsy, but he was more confident and kind. He learned that it's okay to be different, to make mistakes, and to grow. And from that day forward, he brought joy to everyone he met, both in the arcade and beyond. As night fell, the arcade machines hummed a soft lullaby. And Ralph, with a smile on his face, closed his eyes and drifted off to sleep. In his dreams, he knew he was loved and appreciated. And he knew that no matter where he went, he would always be a hero. The end.